Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to take one of the important phylums in animal kingdom. In fact, in case of invertebrates, the phylum is called Echinodermata. And do you know why these plants are called Echinodermata? Because they have spines on outside. These spines in fact constitute the exoskeleton in case of these animals. So echinodermates, this is example of echinodermata. These animals are star-shaped, so in general we can call them starfishes. Starfish, the echinodermates, are exclusively marine animals. These are marine and they are benthos, found mostly at sea bottom. The echinodermates, they are carnivorous because they are taking different animals within themselves, and we have different body shapes. They can be cylindrical, they can be globular, they can be star-like, flower-like, or cucumber-like. Cephalization or head formation is absent. Mouth is commonly present on lower side, while anus occurs over the upper surface. These animals, very nice animals. And do you know they have a peculiar feature which is only found in these animals, and that's called two-feet system, which is developed for locomotion in them. Body wall, often it consists of definitely actually there's a epidermis which is ciliated and it overlies dermis layer. Now chitinous spines are present outside, constitute exoskeleton, and they are used for defense and other structures. Muscles are smooth in these animals. They have pedicellary found in between and around spines, which is very important. They have toothed jaws. These act as defense mechanism and clearing food. In fact, there is endoskeleton also present, which is made up of calcareous plates, which are called ossicles in these animals. And ossicles are derived from mesodermis, mesodermal layer. It is again a peculiar feature of echinodermata. Lot of peculiar features in these animals. Peculiar means which is not present anywhere in animal kingdom. True coelom, lined with a ciliated peritoneum, is present. That is, they are enterocoelom animals. Consisting of number of cavities. They have ambulacral or water vascular system having tube feet for locomotion and for vascular type of systems have developed. Respiration occurs by those are called dermal branchi. Vascular system, this respiration occurs through them. They have a kind of circular system, but that is greatly reduced. Rather, circulatory system we can say is absent. And there is open type hemal system present in them. Excretory organs are again present. Excretion occurs partly by different mechanisms, by you can say throwing wastes out and in, and nervous system it's also, you can say, not that advanced type. And they are dioecious animals. That means Male female is separate, but externally, morphologically they are same. You cannot differentiate between them, between the two sexes. And fertilization is that is definitely external fertilization occurs in water. Larva is bilateral symmetral, very advanced larva. They have in fact advanced larva, but that's bilateral symmetrical. But the adult is readily symmetrical. Echinoderms are heterostomatic, as like chordates, having anus, developed first, and you will find in case of if we see these animals, there are a lot of shapes, lot of classes. In fact, 5 classes of echinodermates are there. That's called Asteroideae, Ephioideae, Echinoideae, Holothuriidae, and Crinoideae. They come as starfishes, sea stars, brittle stars, heart urchins, sea urchins, sea cucumber, and other sea lilies like Angedon, feather stars. So a lot of shapes. You will find star shaped, you will find cucumber shaped, a lot of things. These are very important animals. So what you find is that peculiarity, exoskeleton spines, that's why they are called Echinodermata, two-pit system, water vascular system, mesodermal origin of endoskeleton, oesculus basically, and a lot of other important characters. So they are more close like to chordates if we see the elevationary tree. So echinodermates are very important marine animals, and they are mostly found in seas, open seas. You can find them anywhere, but at the bottom of sea. By the way, they have developed different larvae, which are there is the larvae which are present here. They are having ciliated larvae in fact, and that is brachyolaria larva, bipinnaria larva. One more thing, they have kind of autotomy. That means by the time you catch their feet, you catch their arm, they cut it off there and escape away. So this autotomy function, regeneration, is very important for them. With this, I close the chapter, I close this topic of Echinodermata, the marine animals and animals of choice. Interesting, very interesting to be studied. And I hope you have never questions for me regarding this topic. And we'll meet again with next important topic. Goodbye.